Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Felt like going Christmassy this summer. These laddoos remind me of Christmas, but you can make them any time of the year. So let's make rice laddoos. In Konkani we say Tandlache Laddoo. So before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. We need parboiled, boiled or mota rice. Wash and strain rice clean and then dry roast it on a medium flame. Dry roast it for about 15 to 20 minutes until it changes color or starts puffing up. Bite few grains to check if it is super crunchy and then turn off the flame. Let it cool down and then transfer it into a blender and blend it to make fine powder. Transfer this fine powder into a mixing bowl and keep it aside. Now to the same pan add some jaggery. Add some water and let it simmer. Again let the flame be medium. Keep checking consistency and it needs to evaporate until it gets into half of it. Now let's add coconut. You can either add fresh coconut or desiccated. I added both of them. Mix it well and let it simmer. At last add cashew nuts. You can also add raisins or chopped almonds. Mix it well and turn off the flame and transfer this hot mixture into the powdered rice. Combine and blend all the ingredients. Use your clean hands to blend everything well. Once everything is blended well, start making laddoos. Haven't added salt here as the jaggery seemed to be salty. You can add a pinch of salt if you find it necessary before rolling laddoos. And that's how easy it is to make Kuswar Rice Laddoo. You can store these laddoos in an airtight jar up to a month. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Links to all my social medias are provided in the description box below. Check it out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.